Hello everyone, I am Tejal Patel. Today I am talk about the SAP Ariba overview. In that we have to discuss the SAP Ariba history, introduction, the SAP Ariba procurement process and the component of SAP Ariba, features and benefits of Ariba. Okay. So let's go to the history of SAP Ariba. Ariba was founded in 1996 and it is the most advanced procurement suite offered by the German company SAP. Even at the time, the goal was to offer users a transparent purchasing and procurement platform to optimize processes and improve supplier management. Okay, this is the history of SAP Ariba. Then we have to discuss about the introduction of SAP Ariba. Next, introduction of SAP Ariba. SAP Ariba is a cloud-based procurement solution. Interact with buyer and suppliers in a single platform. Okay, Ariba system is easy to interact with other system. And Ariba act as a supply chain procurement service to do business globally. And it is the digitally transformed supply chain procurement and contract management processes. Okay, this is the SAP Ariba introduction. Then next is the procurement process of SAP Ariba. In this process, there are 6 steps. First is the requisition, second is a supplier discovery, third one is request for quotation, then contract negotiation, purchase order, and last one is a goods receipt and invoices. Okay, let's discuss one by one. First is requisition. This process begins with creating a requisition for the required good and services. For example, goods and services can anything like we want to bulk procure laptops for company or raw materials for manufacturing facility or facility services. Okay, then users can specify details such as the atom, quantity, and delivery timelines for the goods and services. Okay, this is in the requisition step. Okay, once the requisition is done, then next step is a supplier discovery. Okay, in this step we need to discover suitable goods and service providers based on the purchase requisition. Okay, once the supplier provider are decided, then we have to move to the next step, that is the request for quotation. In this the businesses can create RFQ, that is the request for quotation documents. Okay, and inviting suppliers to submit proposals or quotation, and this step encourages competitive pricing, means we can get best price for our requisition. Once the RFQ is done, then next step is a contract negotiation. In this, SAP Ariba allows efficient contract negotiation. Means businesses can collaborate with suppliers, negotiate terms and finalize the contracts. Okay, and once the contract is finalized, Then we have to move for the purchase order. Okay. In purchase order, SAP Ariba generates purchase orders and send to the supplier. Okay. And then last one step is a goods receipt and invoices. In this step, once items from purchase order are delivered, then system record receipt for it. Okay. And then invoices can be matched with the purchase order and good receipts. Then our procurement process is done. Okay. This is the procurement process of SAP Ariba. Then next is SAP Ariba tools and solutions. Hmm. In this, there are 6 modules. Okay. First is a supply chain collaboration for buyers. Second is a Ariba discovery. Third is a contract management. Fourth one is the SAP Ariba buying and catalog. Then SAP Ariba invoice management and SAP pay. And the last one is a spend analysis. Okay. We have to discuss step by step. First is a supply chain collaboration for buyers. Okay. It provides a way to formulate procurement needs to overcome demand planning changes. The next is Ariba discovery. Okay. It identifies new supplier to overcome supplier bottlenecks. The third one is a contract management. It allows to create and manage contract to overcome purchase agreement issues. Okay. For this contract management step. Okay. Then fourth is SAP Ariba buying and catalog management. Okay. In this it provides a platform for users to find and consume items and overcome consumption of goods. And then next is a SAP Ariba invoice management and SAP pay. Okay. In this it provides platform for managing the entry and intake of invoices. And then last one is a spend analysis. It helps procurement and finance to gain understanding of procurement operations. Okay. This is the 6 tools or solutions of SAP Ariba. Okay. Then next, components of SAP Ariba. There are 2 components of SAP Ariba. First one is a upstream and second one is a downstream. Okay. In upstream, there are 3 modules. First, sourcing. Second is a SLP, which is nothing but supply lifecycle planning. And third is a contract management. Similarly, in downstream, there are 3 modules. First is buying, invoicing, and catalog management. Okay, we will discuss these modules one by one in brief manner. First is sourcing. Sourcing is concerned with finding the best supplier for goods and services. Okay, this is the sourcing. Then second is a supply life cycle planning. Okay, supplier life cycle is the process of managing suppliers throughout their life cycle from initial registration and onboarding to qualification to performance management. This is the supplier lifecycle planning. Okay. Then third module is the contract management. Ariba contract management is an end-to-end solution designed to creation, execution and management of any type of contractual agreement. Okay. In this contract management, there are two modules. First is a contract workplace and second is a contract compliances. Okay. Contract workplace is majorly from upstream perspective and contract compliances is from downstream perspective. Okay. In downstream, first is the buying. Buying means SAP Ariba buying used by buying organization for their procurement process from purchasing to invoicing. Okay. And then second model is invoicing. An invoice or bill is the document which record a transaction between buyer and sellers. And third module is catalog management. Okay. Catalog is a descriptive list of goods and services available to buyers, and it includes information such as item descriptions and price, and can optionally include images. Catalog are stored on Ariba network. Okay. This is the modules of upstream and downstream. Then next is SAP Ariba network. In this, all the suppliers across the global are present over this network, and this is B2B, means business to business platform. And for that reason, it is called as a Ariba network. Okay, and it is a bidirectional network, means data will flow both the side, that is from supplier to buyer or buyer to supplier. This is the Ariba network. And when we log into the Ariba network, the login ID for this network is service.ariba.com. Okay. And Ariba discovery. Ariba discovery means the common people or normal people who can visit this site, and they can see how many suppliers offering this product. For these normal people, the Ariba discovery is used. Okay. And in Ariba, there is another concept is Ariba spend management. Okay. In the Ariba spend management, this is the system is only for employees of the organization. Okay. In this system, employees of the organization can does the access for this spend management. Okay. Employees could be place the purchase order or could be able to ask for the suppliers, or they could be able to end-to-end process through this. Okay. This is nothing but the Ariba spend management. Okay. And in Ariba network, we have to create a contract, and in the contract management, and we have to buy or sell, we have to create a bill and collect the bill. Okay, and we have to create a request and fill this request. This is the step we have to do in the Ariba network. Okay, this is the Ariba network. Then next is a key features of Ariba network. First is a procurement unit. Okay, it categorizes procurement spend by business unit, divisions, and cost centers. Okay, and the second feature is supplier management. Okay, it get updated vendor information including projects, performance evaluation, and company spending. And then next is a contract management. Okay, in the contract management, it create, manage, and store contract in a centralized location. The next feature is sourcing. Okay, use Ariba sourcing to receive requirement from exploded BOM, म्हणजे bill of material, and source them. Okay, and then collaboration. In collaboration, it communicate, share information, and collaborate on projects with supplier. Okay, then next picture is a payments. Okay, it secure payments by entering bank information, and that is verified by another user and validated by SAP Ariba processes. And last feature is the integration. Okay, it can access both Ariba and SAP from a single interface to improve accuracy, speed up processing, gain visibility into the supply chain. Okay, these all are the features of SAP Ariba. Then next is benefits of SAP Ariba. First benefits is faster time to value. Okay, it means by streamlining procurement processes, SAP Ariba enhance the efficiency of procurement operations, leading to quicker returns on investment and shorter cycle for sourcing and purchasing. Okay, this is the first benefit of SAP Ariba. The second benefit is supply chain simplicity. It means SAP Ariba simplifies complex supply chain operations by integrating various supply chain processes into a single platform, and it reduces complexity. This is the second benefit. And then third benefit is facilitates procurement. Okay, means SAP Ariba automates several steps, reduces manual tasks, and provides tools for better sourcing and supplier management and the overall procurement function. Okay, and the fourth, manage suppliers efficiently. Okay, means the platform enables effective supplier management by offering tools for supplier evaluation and performance tracking and the relationship management, and it simplifies collaboration with suppliers. This is the fourth benefit of SAP Ariba. And the next one is the improved compliances. Means SAP Ariba can help businesses comply with their procurement policies and procedures and reducing the risk of errors and frauds. This is the fifth benefit. And then last one is enhanced supplier relationship. Means SAP Ariba can help businesses improve their relationship with suppliers by providing a collaborative platform for managing transactions and sharing information. This is the all the benefits of SAP Ariba. Okay, this is the overall overview of the SAP Ariba we have to discuss today. Okay, then thank you.